In our previous video, we talked about the common mistakes that Malaysians make when applying for their mortgage loan. So today, do you want to know what can you do after your loan application gets rejected?
So how are you going to get approval for the next application?
What should you have done before this to get the approval?
What's up everybody, welcome to VC. My name is Vincent.
And I'm Chloe.
So before we jump into today's topic, let's have a recap on what is a mortgage loan and how it helps you to own a property. If you're in the VC family, we're probably sure that you understand what is a mortgage loan, but for those who are here for the first time, a mortgage loan is a loan that you apply from the bank to purchase a property.
When purchasing a property, you either cash buy it if you're borrowing, or you can take up a loan, so this helps you to own the property without paying the whole sum upfront, but instead it gives you the flexibility to pay through monthly installments.
Yep, if you haven't watched our video yet regarding the mistake that Malaysia makes when it comes to applying for a mortgage loan, do check the video up there before proceeding with this one. So it will help you to understand more about what we are actually saying.
Yeah, so here's our take on how to maximize your chances of obtaining an approval for your loan in the future. Firstly, before applying for a loan, do pre-check your loan eligibility with a mortgage banker. Sometimes we meet clients who are so stubborn, I'm so sorry to say that, because they don't want to get an agent. Not that we're saying that you must, but usually real estate negotiators like us, or what you like to say, property agents, have experiences. We know what is right for our clients and which bank is suitable for them.
This is also included in the first part, which is understanding why your loan is rejected. Not just like, oh, rejected, then go home lah, set lah, cannot pass lah, rejected lah.
Stop it. Get some help.
But instead, you need to find out what's the problem, how to fix it. In some cases, it may be because of your commitment are too high, maybe lending rate from the bank to your type of career is kind of low, maybe credit score are bad on your side, so it's important to understand the cause of the rejection.
For example, did you know that it is slightly a bit harder for commission earners to get a loan from banks? That's because there is no base salary for them and their commission is not stable every single month. But this doesn't mean that they cannot apply for a loan lah. But it depends on which bank they are approaching, because different banks have different lending rates to different income earners.
Yep, the second part is take step on fixing the problem. Once you know the reason for the rejection, now you can start building your credit trust. Issues such as late payment can give you a bad impression to lenders and might impact your future application. So try your best to pay off your credit card bill, car loan, and other things on time.
So if the rejection is caused by a high commitment, try to settle some of the debts according to your ability. In these cases, it would be very handy to have a property agent to help you out. Before even applying for the loan, your property agent will help you to figure out which bank is more suitable for your job scope. Therefore, you won't be continuously passing your documents to every single bank that is unsuitable for you.
Yep, another way to help with your loan application is you can consider getting a lower loan margin. Some lenders might deny your loan because you requested to borrow more money than you can afford to repay. Yep, instead of applying for 90%, maybe try 80% of the value of the property. This means that you will be paying more down payment, and if you have money, why not?
Yeah, exactly. So the third thing you can do is actually determine the best bank for your DSR. So what is DSR?
DSR is your debt service ratio, which is the calculation of your debt against your monthly income, where banks use this method to determine your eligibility. So one of the most common reasons why banks would reject a loan application is if the applicant's DSR is above the bank's maximum allowable DSR. This is very tricky as every bank has their own respective guidelines for their maximum allowable DSR as they willing to accept.
Like we said just now, different banks will provide different DSR to commission earners. Same goes with salary earners too. The higher your income, the higher DSR that banks will provide you with. For example, in Bank A, with your salary of 3,000, they are willing to provide you 60% of DSR, while Bank B is willing to provide 70% of your DSR. So how DSR works is they take your monthly net income after deducting your EPF and SOCSO, then multiplying it with your DSR that they provide you. Then deduct your existing commitments such as your car loan, outstanding credit cards, your personal loans, etc. The remaining of the amount will be the amount of the monthly installment that you are eligible to take.
Yep, for example, your salary is 3,000. The DSR given by the Bank B is 70%. So it makes it 2,001. Then after deducting your car loan, your credit card, and you end up with 1,600. So 1,600 will be the amount of maximum monthly installment that you are able to pay in the eyes of the bank.
The last point would be preparing all your documents needed. We mentioned in the previous video the common mistakes before applying for a loan that many clients fail to meet is the income documentation requirements. So please prepare your documents.
And also do pay your income tax. We actually met a lot of clients, right? They don't want to pay income tax because
they're not willing to.
Yeah, they just don't want that. But in our opinion, tax also get us a really good profile if you pay it, and you are able to leverage the bank to borrow money.
Yep, a list of basic documents would be 3 to 6 months of payslip and bank statement, your tax form, which is your EA form, your EPF statements, and also even your deposit statement, whether it is either your current account or your separate saving account with a steady and consistent balance. It's another method that can help you to boost your image as a responsible and credible borrower.
Yep, at the end of the day, it is about understanding your eligibility before keying that into the application into the system. When you don't understand your eligibility, thinking that you can afford a monthly sum of 3,000 when your salary is just 3,000, it's not going to help you with your loan application.
Personally, for us, we want to help people, especially first home buyers and first time investors or even experienced buyers, to get their property that they want. Instead of thinking about the money that we're going to make from the sales, right? We've helped a lot of home buyers to get through their loan application with the understanding of each bank, knowing which bank works well for you. We hope to get your approval.
Yep, before we even proceed with that loan application, remember to know the basic do's and don'ts and how to increase your credit scoring, starting from checking your report regularly to be updated on any outstanding payments that you haven't made. Sometimes you wouldn't know, right? You have accidentally forgot that you have a 10,000 credit card debt.
Yep.
Build your credit score history. The most simple way would be getting a credit card, not the day before, but applying it 6 to 12 months before that. So use that to actually build your credit score history.
Yep. Not to mention, remember to think twice on financial relationships. When your cousin wants to buy a property investment that they ask you to join loan with them, right? But end up not paying on time, even though you may say that you're just helping them to get the approval from the bank, this will affect your scoring too if anything goes wrong. So that's all from us today. If you forgot, we are actually real estate negotiators, and we are hoping to help more people to find their dream home and help with their investment journey too. We are also scouting for business partners who are interested in making a change in their lives and are interested in the real estate field. So do contact us at vc.estate.co/contact. If you have any inquiries, or do DM us at Instagram at vc.estate. We hope to hear from you soon.
Yep, so here comes the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you gained some new knowledge from this video, do give us a like and consider subscribing, as we post a lot of property, real estate related content in this channel. Join the VC family, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao!